What's good, YouTube? J3 back at it again with another video. This week I will be vlogging my week. It is my birthday week. My birthday is Saturday. I'm super excited for that. I'm talking too fast, but I'm trying to make this quick so we can get into the meat of the video. And a lot of it is going to probably be a time lapse. So yeah, but I'm vlogging my week. So I didn't start this morning, but it wasn't really a crazy morning this morning. I woke up this morning. I work from home. Pretty cool day at work. I had a few things to get done after work. I cleaned up around the house a little bit, and after that went out to the park, ran my 4 miles, and now I've been in the gym for about an hour and a half. I'm finishing up my workout. Today I hit my back and my chest, and I'm doing some abs right now. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog this week. I'm gonna try to make a lot of it a time lapse so it can stay interesting. But yeah, y'all come along for my week, and Saturday my birthday. Super excited for that. So yeah, let's go. All right, guys, it is currently 5:45 a.m. I wish I could show y'all on my watch. I don't know if y'all can see that. 5:45 a.m. Boom. Fit check. Something light. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. First day of work in the office. I'm gonna just grab me some water. Go outside. Get us a cold start on Zeus. Grab some water. And two. All right, put that in my backpack. Stay hydrated. Always stay hydrated. So yeah, about to walk out the door. About to head to work. And it's gonna be a great week, bruh. It's gonna be a great week. So, gonna get in this office, handle that biz. Yeah, y'all slide with me. Let's get to the office. Here's our verse for the week. Today was a cool day at work. Now I'm back to the crib. Gonna change clothes so I can go to my next place of the day. And now I'm gonna show y'all when I get there. So yeah, let's go. Wow. Anyway, boom. So y'all, we back. At the test shop. We got this done. I got this last week. That inside right there. But I just got this band right here. Jamil getting in match with me. So she next. Yeah. All right, guys. It's Wednesday. I'm already late to work. It is 6:20. I'm late. Technically, I'm not late, but I just like to be there at 6 o'clock. So, quick fit check. Dang, got my hat. I'm putting on a hat. Ain't got no cut, so gotta put on a hat. But let's get to the office. I probably won't show y'all when I get to the office. I'll probably just get to work. So we'll catch y'all this afternoon. All right, y'all. Don't talk about my head, bro. I know I need a haircut. Coming soon. Anyway, bro, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock in the morning. I didn't show y'all when I got off work because when I got off work, I literally came straight home. I've been asleep since I got off. I don't even know why I was that tired, but yes, I was. Anyway, I just got out the shower. I had to come in and give me something to eat. I was hungry when I woke up. Y'all know how it be. When you wake up, you be hungry, you be thirsty. Had to give me some water, give me something to eat. Anyway, I don't know if y'all can see, but my tattoo peeling bad. It's peeling. So, if y'all want to know what that is, it's just me peeling. Anyway, time to go back to sleep, and I'm going to show y'all when I get up in the morning for work. Well, in a couple hours for work, because I'm just about basically finna take a quick nap. So, let's go. All right, guys. So, It is Thursday, the 26th. It is 2 days before my birthday, and it is my Friday at work. So today is my last day of the week to work, and I'm back in the same position as I was yesterday. It's 6:15. I noticed that my 5 o'clock alarm has not been going off this week. Don't know what's that about. Don't know what that's about. Don't know what that's about, but I will be figuring that out next week. But we're super excited this morning. But I'll be sitting in meetings all day today, so I need to stop by the gas station, grab me a little Red Bull, because I'll be falling asleep. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it 1K. I'll be falling asleep. The meetings be long, bro. So we're gonna grab me a Red Bull. Also gonna probably go get me some kolaches. I'm feeling good this morning. Trying to boost that energy, you feel me? So yeah, fit check. Nothing crazy. Little cargo pants, stuff like that. So let's get to this office. Let's finish this week strong. Let's get it. Y'all, that last clip was supposed to be pretty dramatic, and it was supposed to look way better than what it did, but it didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out. So y'all just excuse that, but I ain't gonna count. I'm still putting it in the video, so yeah. All right, guys. Free at last. Time to head out. Time to go get a haircut. Goodness gracious. Time to go get a haircut. So let's slide. Go get us a cut. So we can set this weekend all right. Set the weekend all right, dog. All right, y'all. So y'all can see the cut has been secured, bro. I gotta shave though. Gotta shave my face. But the cut has been secured. No, come on. All right, guys. I lied yesterday. I lied. I said that I was going somewhere last night. I did go somewhere, but I didn't stay long. So, I mean. Anyway, we're here this morning, Friday, September 27th. Birthday Eve, dog. It's my birthday Eve, so you already know. Gotta have some fun today. Gotta do some stuff that I want to do. So, yeah. So, this morning, I went running. I went to the gym. Got that done. Then I went to the store. So y'all know I went and spent $1,000. No, I'm just talking. But yeah, we got us some windshield wipers. Got us some windshield wiper fluid. We got stuff to do an oil change. So we're gonna do an oil change. We're gonna do some maintenance on this thing behind me. But yeah, so I went ahead and went to the store first so I could come back and cut the grass. As I cut the grass, hopefully the truck will cool off a little bit. I don't expect it to just be that cold, but hopefully it'll cool off a little bit so I can do the oil change without burning my freaking self. So yeah, let's cut this grass real quick. Let's cut this grass real quick. I usually cut my grass every week. It's been about a week and a half now, so definitely needs to be cut. And yeah. All right, y'all. Got the grass cut. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hopefully y'all can see that. Oh well. Anyway, got the truck pulled in here, and I just want y'all to see how this fin antenna hits the garage every time I pull in. So I rarely pull in here because that fin just makes the truck too tall for the garage. But anyway, so I already filled up the windshield wiper fluid. I filled up the brake fluid. Also refilled the coolant. Just topped everything off, make sure everything looks good. Now it's time to get under here. Change this oil real quick, change this oil filter, and change the windshield wipers. Change the windshield wipers. So, let's get it done. All right, y'all. So I hold my face straight. I ain't looking in the mirror. It might be dry. Anyway, so I got the grass cut, as y'all can see. Maintenance done on Zeus. And finna go fill up. And we finna head to the outlet. Let's go do a little shopping. All right, guys. So I'm out here at the mall now. I went to the outlet first. I found like 2 graphics, but now I'm at the mall. Still trying to find a fit. I just found 2 graphics. I need to find some jeans, probably some cargo pants, some shoes. So now I'm walking around going store to store, trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear. But we're gonna keep trucking. It's beautiful out here. It feels great. So yeah. All right, y'all. So I didn't show y'all my bags, but because I had put them in the truck. But I've been out here just chilling, you know, just stopping to, you know, take it all in, you feel me? Gotta take it all in. So yeah, this phone actually finna die, probably from all my updates. I'm walking across the street trying not to get hit, and I'm probably finna get hit. They ain't hit me. Anyway, so yeah, headed back to the truck. Hopefully this phone don't die. If it do, oh well, y'all won't get no more updates from me tonight. I'm just gonna go get me something to eat, head to the crib, wait for all the fam to pull up. So yeah, today was a great day. Spent a lot of bread on Zeus. Spent a lot of bread on clothes too though, so it was a great day, man. Great day, I can't complain. Tomorrow gonna be even better, so thank the Lord. Thank the Lord, thank the Lord. It's my birthday, y'all. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12:04 now. September 28, 2024. Thank you, God, for another year. Got brother with me. Thank you, God. Catch y'all in the morning. All right, y'all. We back. Saturday morning. Jameson, say what up. All right. Just came to take in the sun rise. And just a beautiful morning. Got the mutts out here. But yeah. But y'all, one thing I can't seem to understand is if y'all see them little 2 dots right there. Let me see if I can show y'all right there. It look like people out there fishing. But I just feel like, why would the water be that shallow right there? So I don't know if I'm tripping or what. But anyway, just came to take in this beautiful morning, what God created. So yeah, I don't know what we're doing today, but we're gonna figure it out as we go. So let's get it. Boom, we back here, Jameson. Type stuff. We back here. We in Macy's right now. I'm drunk. I've been drunk all morning off the mimosas. Shout out Miss Davis. Miss Gladys, boy. Anyway, we trying to find a fit for tomorrow. I need to find me a shirt. Then we're gonna go eat later. But y'all see Jameson. So yeah, I'm trying to find me something to wear for the event tomorrow. So yeah, we're gonna see. Sunday morning, September 29th at 11:12 a.m. Yeah. Oh. And y'all see who we at with it. Looks like feature, nothing crazy. But yeah, Texans play the Jags today, so we know the Texans finna win. If they lose, that's gonna drive me for real, because no way they should be losing to the Jags. But yeah, gonna get in the game, so let's get it.
What's up? Second down and 10. Texans! Texans! Texans!
All right, y'all. It's been a great birthday weekend. It's Sunday, the 29th, after we went to the game. Texas won, like I said. I'm just out here taking a nature walk. Drinks. Little slushies. Yeah. So that's all for this video. If y'all like the vlogs and stuff like that, let me know. Drop a comment. If you watch the vlog all the way through, comment elite, bruh, because you are now one of my elite subscribers. So comment elite if you watch the video all the way through. I know I love y'all. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. J3 out.